Is it allowed for ladies to marry 4 men?
The brother asked that, is a woman allowed to have more than one husband? If you do that, this problem will be exaggerated more.
I mean in Muslims. In Muslims.
As it is, women are more than men. If women marry more than one husband, the problem will be exaggerated. Point number one. Point number two, if a man has more than one wife and if the child is born, you can easily identify who is the father, who is the mother. If a woman has more than one husband, two husbands, and if a child is born, and if he goes to admit in the school, and if the question, who is your father, she'll have to give two names. You're talking about DNA testing. I know about it. DNA testing is recent. Was DNA testing there 50 years back? Was it there? No, it's a new recent discovery, yet it's not 100%. Even if I agree it's 100%, it is now, it wasn't there before. Islam is there since time immemorial. And this is not the only reason. Even if I agree tomorrow it becomes 100% perfect, this is not the only reason. Today science tells us that man is more polygamous in nature as compared to the female. Today science tells us that during menstrual cycle, the female undergoes certain psychological changes. It's not possible for her to do the role of multiple wives. But a man doesn't undergo these changes, it's possible for him to do a role of multiple husbands. Today science tells us that if a man has multiple sexual partners and all are faithful, there is no problem. But if a female has multiple sexual partners and all are faithful, there are chances of sexually transmitted diseases to emerge. And that disease will go back to the male partner. So medically, it is not acceptable that a female has multiple partners, but medically and scientifically, it's acceptable that a male can have multiple partners.